Hey, beautiful people, welcome to episode 74 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about negotiating with those creditors where you're not actually behind on your bills. So, I want to tell you guys some things that you can do to actually negotiate. Now, the first thing I want you guys to do is make sure that you contact them immediately. So, if you know that you're going to be behind on your bills, please contact them immediately. Don't just wait and become too far gone. Like, I see people with 90 days delayed, 180 days late, meaning they're charging it off. And they're like, hey, what can I do now? You should have called them when you knew that you could not pay it, like even before your due date. That would be perfect. So call them immediately and make sure that you talk to someone that can actually do what you need them to do. Don't just talk to the customer service rep that's on the phone. Say, hey, can I talk to a manager? Can I talk to someone that can actually do what I need them to do? So tell them your problem and then tell them the solution that you want. So say if you got a credit card that you're behind on, you about to basically have a late payment on it, just say, hey, I'm behind. Is there anything that we can do to probably push back the due date so I don't have a late payment? Can you guys give me extra days? And if you're already late on your account, they're going to report it to the credit bureaus, which is a big thing. Make sure that whatever they do, confirm that it won't hurt your credit. But if you know that they're about to report it to the credit bureau, try to see what you can do to stop that. They're reporting to your credit, reporting to the credit bureau is going to hurt you so much. So try to see what they can do to stop that. But please contact them immediately, okay? And ask them what can they do. Now we're going to go into a lot of different accounts like cars, leases, mortgages, different accounts that you may have. So we're going to talk about what you guys can do for each type of loan that you have. If you guys have any questions, let me know. We're going to do episode 75. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to reduce those long-term contracts, the long-term debts that you guys have.